don't know why my camera keeps stopping. I've taken this, if you didn't see this, I took the screws out and I took this off. This off, and I'm taking the top off, and I'm going to set it to the side. I don't know why my camera's cutting off. It's always something, isn't it? I'll just take it and set it to the side. Then, I guess I should keep a check on it. Make sure it's at least recording. Well, then he said to take off this ring here, I believe. Yeah, take this ring off. I'm looking at it, it looks pretty good. I'm going to take the ring off and I'm going to set it down like this. So that I'll take it and put it back on like that. Then he said to take out this. Now this is the part that I broke. This is the part that I broke. Yeah, I broke this part. But I bought another one and put it in. It's weird, these little vein looking things. This part here goes into the, what do you call that? The catalytic converter. Well, he just took his off and set it to the side like this. Well, I'm not. I'm going to take it and I'm going to set it like this. And then he took the veins out. He said, I think he said it was 13. I think he said there were 13. Yeah, this guy likes to talk, man. I can't talk like him. He's one of those, he used to be one of those sports guys, and y'all sports guys, y'all can really talk, man. Y'all can talk there. Y'all can talk. Ooh, man, y'all can talk. Yeah. You guys can talk. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. That's 13. So yes, there's 13 of these. Then he took this, and he set this to the side, but I'm going to set it on top like this. Because he mentioned something about how the notches lined up. So I'm going to go on and line the notches up. I don't think I have another one of these. I don't know if the kit came with one of these or not. Then he took this ring here and he put this ring on here. That's the bottom of the thingamabob ring. Then he said to take note of the operation, how tight it is, and he said to take a look at this right here. This little, that's a seal and a spacer. Well, he said after you do that, he wants you to pop that out. So, I'm getting ready to try and pop this thing out. Hope I don't pop out my eye. And it was a little pop, it wasn't no big one. He said to pry against the steel part here and not the aluminum. And he pried from this side, so he pried against them from this part. Let me see, he put his screwdriver in there. He said you wear your safety glasses, so let me put my glasses on. And he said to put a shop towel over it. Keep from breaking your finger, I guess. Then he said to pry that joker out. Okay, that's out. And just like it came in, so let me tell y'all this, just like it came in, because I'm going to put it just like it came back when it came in. There's no indentation there or nothing. It's just there. I'm going to put it back in just like that. Then, after we did that, we said to take a look. Oh yeah, that's pretty loose there. But anyway, I don't know if that's pretty loose or not, but I know that's how it's riding. Anyway, I don't know why I'm having fun here. Then he said to pull this out. No, you got to pull that pin out first, I think. But it's rather difficult to pull that pin out. Then it'll take it. Then set this over like that. Now look at these things. These little things here came with it. Can y'all see that? I hope my video, yeah, it's still on. This little thing, these things right here. You notice how they go in? Notice how they go in. The brown goes towards the wall, and the black goes towards the little movable steel thing here. He took it and he set it to the side just like that. Then he said there was this little O-ring here. This little ring, is there a ring in here? It doesn't look like there's a ring there, but it may need to go in there. But anyway, he said to take this out. Now see, it seems to me that there should be I'm gonna have to take a look at that because mine doesn't have one. There was a seal that goes in there. You know what? Oh, he said to take that's right. No. Yeah, that's the seal. The seal is in there. I can see the seal. Let me take it out. Because we're going to have another one anyway. You know. Let's see if that's seal. Yeah, there's a seal there. Boy, I was getting ready to get excited. I'm trying to figure out why this transmission would not go in reverse, and so far I'm not seeing anything. And I'm going to be really upset if it's the electronics portion of it. There it goes. There's that seal right there. These picks are not metal. They're made of plastic. I like them too. I like them. Then he took this little ring here and he set it like this. Now he said to take this out. This little pin here. I don't see any reason to take it out, personally. I do not. What's the purpose of taking it out? It serves no purpose to take it out. I'm not going to take it out. And then he mentioned that inside of here there's I think he said there was a spring in here. And I just don't see it necessary to take this out. I just don't see why I should take that out. Because it doesn't look like that wants to come out. Why am I doing this, guys? This doesn't need to come out. There's nothing wrong with that thing. Leave that thing alone. It's in there really nice and snug. Don't need to bother it. Yeah, see how it's going in there? it pushes, there's a spring. See that thing is, there's a spring in there. See, I had to loosen it up. Look at that. It was stuck. That thing was stuck. Now, when I kept going down and up and down and up, it finally came up really good. Look at that. Will you look at that? That thing was, it wasn't even functioning properly. Because it's stuck, sort of like. He's always talking about his guest house. He's inspiring to me. Some people are lucky. He got lucky. And he don't even believe in God. He believes in something, but he doesn't believe in God. I'm trying to take that thing out, guys. Wow. This thing is, I don't think it's supposed to be in there that stiff, because he just reached in there and pulled it out. I hate to use the pliers to take it out. Maybe I can, but that thing is supposed to bounce. It's supposed to bounce up and down, supposed to, because there's a spring in there. Is it going to come out, guys? I feel like it's coming. It's higher than it was before. Let me give me a rubber band on it. See if the rubber band can help. I'm going to use the vice grips to get it out of there. Hey, don't worry, guys. I'm not going to bite down on it. I'm just measuring for now. Now I'm going to take this, put it on top. Try to work it out. I'm still not bearing down on it. Here it comes. See that? Came on out. I don't know if I'm damaged it. I damaged it. But I doubt it. Alright, there's the pin. See the spring right there? That spring and that pin. I don't know, there's a reason why it's there. There's no telling what that pin is stopping up in there. It's not stopping up anything, it's just designed to move up and down, but that mother hopper never moved. Alright, well, it was stuck. Not to say that's going to help anything. Alright, the next thing he said to do was to take out this seal. Take out this seal. That looks gouged. Probably happened. That looks gouged. Yeah, that's gouged. Well, I guess I have to replace it, huh? No, I'm not replacing it. It's just going to be gouged. What's this here? That's gelled up. Now, the next thing to do is to take this out. So what he did was he knocked on this side. It's a seal. You know how to take a seal out. You ain't got to worry about me. He knocked on this side. Then he knocked on the other side. Now, he took it to a desk and put a piece of wood behind it like this. I'm going to use my weight on it. And I'm going to hold it like this. And try to, pump it out. But I'm not going to do it on here because that's going to disturb something. So, know this, and we're done here for today. Only thing I'm going to do is take that seal out. Then once I take that seal out, then I'm going to put it back together. And I'll bring back the video when I put it back together. Yeah, because he did a lot, it was a lot to put it back together. I'm going to go ahead and eat right now. Even before I even take this seal out, because I'm hungry. I am. There's a seal. And it's brand new seals are brand new, and it didn't leak. Didn't leak even when I had it just now. So y'all take it easy. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks for hanging out. It's coming together a little bit, I guess. Come together a little bit. And I invite you to enjoy yourselves. And I should have had that camera like that. Take care of you. Do your project, man. Do your project. It's like gardening or something. Once I've said this before, build something. Anakin Skywalker from Star Wars, he said life seems so much simpler when you're fixing things. Y'all take it easy, and I'll talk to you later.